Today I complete 1 month, 15 days in English therapy. Right now you're saying I'm speaking in English. Before time I can't speak English. Any Bangla can't speak English. I can't Bangla word. Even I can't word Bangla sentence in front of people, any audience. Right now you see I'm speaking English. Even I know I'm not a good speaker. I'm not a good speaker, but I'm learning. I'm improving. Inshallah, one day I will be a good speaker. And I learned then my most of the gain, and I learned from English therapy. And most of the biggest gain, I am confident. If you're not confident, you can't speak English. First of all, you need to confident. And I lost my nervousness. I gain confidence, and I'm very proudful, and I'm very right now I'm probing. I'm proudful for this region. That's all about. Thank you so much. I want to thank my CEO sir, Saiful Islam sir, and I want to thank my class teacher. They are very helpful. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.